Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all in a very good health and studying with your full focus. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to start solving questions from question number 23. From the exercise, let us work out 4. Chapter Rectangular Parallelepiped or Cuboid. Name of the book Ganit Prakash, class 10. Now friends, let us first read question number 23. The depth of water of a cuboidal pond with length of 20 meter and breadth of 18.5 meter is 3.2 meter. So we have a cuboidal pond, length 20 meter, breadth 18.5 meter, and the depth is 3.2 meter. Let us write by calculating the time required to irrigate whole water of the pond with a pump having the capacity to irrigate 160 kiloliter water per hour. If that quantity of water is poured on a paddy field, if that quantity of water is poured on a paddy field with a ridge having the length of 59.2 meter and breadth 40 meter, then what is the depth of the water in that land? Let us write by calculating it. Where 1 cubic meter is 1 kiloliter. So let us first draw it. So this is our diagram. Let us assume this is our pond with length 20 meter, breadth 18.5 meter and depth 3.2 meter. We are taking water from this pond and transferring it to the paddy field. And to transfer the water, we are using a pump with efficiency 160 kiloliter per hour. That means in 1 hour it can transfer 160 kiloliter of water. And the length and breadth of the paddy field is given, but we do not know the height of water within the paddy field. We do not know the water level, the height of water level from the ground. Okay, this is what we need to find out. Let us assume the height of water in the paddy field be d meter. Okay, and we are going to transfer whole water we are going to irrigate whole water of the pond with the help of a pump. Okay, so we need to find out the time required for that. Okay, so let us first calculate the volume of water contained in this pond. Therefore, volume of water in pond is equal to cubic meter. So this is the total volume. Now we are going to transfer this much water to the paddy field. And the efficiency of the pump is given. So if we divide the total volume by 160 kiloliter, we are getting the time required to transfer the water. Therefore, total volume by volume irrigated per hour. So the unit is in hour. So this is 7.4 hour. If you want, you can break it into hour and minute. Now the second part of the question says this water is transferred to the paddy field. So the water level rises and we have assumed the water level, the height of the water level is d meter. So we are going to calculate the volume of water contained in the paddy field. So the volume of water in the paddy field is length into breadth into depth. The volume of water in the pond So these two things are equal. Now let us put the values. So these two volumes are equal. Now so this is half meter. So this is our answer. So the depth of water in the paddy field is half meter. And the answer for the first part of this question was 7.4 hour. I hope you have understood it. Now friends, let us proceed to the next part, which is very short answer type questions. 24. So let us solve 24. A. It is MCQ. 1. It says the inner volume of a cuboidal box is 440 cc and the area of inner base is 88 square centimeter. So the inner height of the box. Okay. So let us denote the inner dimensions by small letters. Okay. So L is inner length, B is inner breadth, and H is inner height. Now the inner volume is length into breadth into height. Now length into breadth is area. So area of the base is actually length into breadth, which is given. So the area of inner base, that is length into breadth, so which is given, and volume inner, which is also given. Now we can put these values. So this is 440 cubic centimeter and this is 88 square centimeter. So we can easily find out H. The value should come in centimeter. The answer is 5 centimeter. So option B is correct. So answer should be option B. Now next question. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboidal hole are 40 meter, 12 meter, and 16 meter respectively. The number of planks having the height of 5 meter, the breadth of 4 meter, and the thickness of 2 meter can be kept in that hole. So let us draw it. So we have a cuboidal hole (40 meter, 12 meter, and 16 meter). The number of planks having the height of 5 meter. Okay. The breadth of 4 meter and the thickness of 2 meter can be kept in that hole. Okay. So let us assume this is our wooden plank with length 5 meter, breadth 4 meter, and thickness 2 meter. So the volume of the wooden plank So this is our volume of the plank. Now let us assume n number of planks can be accommodated in this hole. Therefore, uh, then the total volume occupied equal to n into 40 meter cube. Now, volume of the whole. So, we can easily say that this volume should be equal to this volume because n number of planks are kept inside the hole. That is why the total volume of planks should be equal to the volume of the hole. Therefore, n into 40, okay, n into 40, this quantity should be equal to this quantity. So 40 40 cancelled. So 192 planks can be kept. This should be our answer. So option B is the answer. Okay. Option B should be the answer. Now question 3 says the surface areas of a cube, the surface area of a cube is 256 square meter. The volume of the cube is the question is not correct. The question should be surface area of 4 walls of a cube is 256 meter square. Okay, so this should be 4 into side square. Area of 4 walls is 4 into side square, which is given, which is 256 meter square. So this is our question. So this should be 4. So side is equal to root 64. That means 8 meter. Therefore, volume is equal to 8 cube meter cube. So this should be our answer. That means option D should be correct. Now question number 4 says the ratio of the volumes of two cubes is 1 is to 27. The ratio of the total surface areas of two cube is, so the ratio of volumes is given. So volume 1 by volume 2 is given, which is, this is for two cubes. So the volume of cube we know, side cube. So let us assume the side of first cube is side 1, side 1 cube by the side of second cube is side 2. Therefore, we can say 1 by 27 equal to side of, we should write it cube 1 by we are doing cube root to both sides of this equation. We are doing cube root. So this becomes 1 by 27 to the power 1/3 and cube get cancelled. So it becomes side of cube 1 by side of cube 2. So this becomes 1 by 3. Now we are asked to find out the ratio of total surface area of two cubes. So total surface area of cube 1 by total surface area of cube 2 is equal to 6 into side of cube 1 whole square by 6 into side of cube 2 whole square. So 6 and 6 get cancelled, and if we take whole square common, then it gives us side of cube 1 by side of cube 2 whole square. Now we have determined the ratio of side of cube 1 by side of cube 2, that is 1 by 3. So we can put this value here. So this gives us 1 by 9. So this should be our answer. The ratio of total surface area of cube 1 by total surface area of cube 2 should be 1 by 9. So option C is correct. Now question 5 says, if total surface area of a cube is s square unit and the length of the diagonal is d unit, then the relation between the s and d. Okay, so total surface area, we are talking about a cube. Okay, total surface area is s unit square, length of diagonal d unit. So total surface area we know is 6 into side square, and length of diagonal is equal to root 3a unit, sorry, root 3 into side unit. Okay, we know this formula. Diagonal is equal to root 3 into side, and total surface area equal to 6 into side square. Now we can write d by root 3 is equal to side. Now we can put this value to the first equation. Therefore s equal to 6 into side square. So in place of side we can write is equal to s. Okay, now So b square is equal to s by 2. So this is our relation. Therefore, answer is option D. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Tomorrow we shall come with another video where we are going to solve the rest of the questions of this exercise. And if you have any doubt or question, you can leave that in the comment section. And if you liked my video, you can like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.